Okay, let's unpack this. The world of AI, well, it isn't just a playground for the big tech companies anymore.
Not at all.
Today, we're diving into something really fertile, I think. How you can leverage what people are calling AI agents as a service
Yeah.
to build, maybe a profitable side hustle or even a whole new career path.
And what's genuinely fascinating here is just how accessible this stuff has become. It's democratized, really.
Right.
We're talking about using smart software to tackle those really soul-crushing repetitive tasks, the ones that just drain hours.
Oh, yeah. For individuals and especially small businesses.
Exactly. And you don't need to be an AI developer. You become this crucial bridge, kind of connecting these ready-made tools to the people who desperately need that time back.
Precisely.
So,
So our mission today in this deep dive is to pull out the actionable steps,
yep.
the things you can actually do to become an AI agent for hire, like right now.
Mhm.
It's about more than just being efficient, isn't it? There's a huge projected market here.
Oh, absolutely. We're talking, what, over $150 billion for AI automation services projected by 2027? That's not just some fleeting trend. It's a wave.
Okay, so let's nail down what we mean by AI agent in this context.
Good idea.
It's software, right?
Yeah.
But sophisticated software that can learn, adapt, execute tasks way beyond simple scripts.
Yeah. Things like intelligently handling customer emails, pulling complex data from documents, maybe even managing social media.
And your role isn't coding new AI from scratch.
Nope.
It's more about skillfully configuring, integrating these off-the-shelf tools, and then, I guess, fine-tuning them for what a specific client needs.
Exactly. And the demand is just, it's exploding because, frankly, a lot of small businesses are just drowning in repetitive admin work.
Totally.
AI still seems kind of bewildering to most people. So if you can come in, simplify it, and actually show them, look, I saved you 10, maybe 20 hours this week.
Wow.
You go from being a sort of nice-to-have consultant to someone absolutely essential. You solve a real, tangible pain point.
That really defines the opportunity. But let's get concrete. What does this look like day to day? What specific services are actually in demand right now?
Okay, well, think about document processing first. Businesses are just swimming in PDFs, invoices, contracts.
Ooh, tell me about it.
Right. So tools like, say, DocParser or Kofax, they can now intelligently extract, sort, summarize that info. It turns hours of manual data entry into minutes.
Okay, that's huge. Speed and accuracy, I imagine.
Exactly. And then there's customer interaction.
Right.
You can set up first-line customer support bots using platforms like Intercom or Drift. They handle the routine stuff, freeing up human agents for harder problems.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
What about marketing or, like, email?
Yeah, definitely. For marketing, you can automate social media posting, even draft initial content ideas with AI writing assistants linked to tools like Buffer.
Nice.
And for that never-ending inbox, AI-powered email automation thinks superhuman, or even just Gmail's smart replies can sort, tag, suggest responses, help clients actually hit inbox zero.
Okay, this sounds amazing.
Mm-hmm.
But I know people listening might be thinking this sounds too technical. Let's talk skills. Do you really need an advanced degree here?
Not at all. And that's a really important point. The core skills are actually curiosity, because this field changes so fast.
True.
Problem solving, which is really just about making things less painful for your clients, right?
Yeah.
And some basic scripting ability, often visual, using platforms like Zapier to connect different apps, and crucially, strong communication. You have to translate tech talk into plain English.
No jargon, definitely. And what about nice-to-haves? Things that give you an edge.
Sure. Experience with APIs, those digital handshakes between software is useful. Understanding data privacy is increasingly critical. And just solid project management skills for juggling clients.
Got it. Okay, tools. What do people need to actually get started?
Key thing is, don't get overwhelmed by tool fatigue. You don't need to master everything.
Yeah.
Focus on the essential automation platforms first, like Zapier and Make. They're like the glue.
The connectors.
Exactly. They connect almost everything else. Then, for specific tasks, maybe DocParser for documents, Intercom, or the OpenAI API for custom support bots, Superhuman for email, like we mentioned.
And you mentioned a shortcut, ready-made prompts.
Yeah, that's a great way to accelerate. You can find prompts libraries designed for specific business tasks. They give you a huge head start.
Okay, so let's map it out. Step-by-step path for someone wanting to become an AI agent for hire. Step 1.
Pick a niche. Seriously, start with what you know. If you're in finance, focus on finance automation. Marketing background, focus there. Specializing makes you stand out immediately.
Makes sense. Step 2.
Build your toolkit. Master just one or two relevant platforms to start, Use their free trials, their community editions, and crucially, create sample projects.
Show, don't just tell.
Exactly. Automate something for yourself or maybe for a friend's small business. Document the before and after. Show that tangible result, like saving someone 15 hours a week. That's powerful.
Okay, you've got your niche, your tools, your demo projects. How do you find those first clients?
Leverage freelance platforms Upwork, Fiverr are obvious places, but also look at small business forums, Reddit subs, LinkedIn groups. And don't underestimate your personal network.
Right. And pricing, that can be tricky.
It can. Don't just think hourly. Maybe start with smaller, fixed-price projects to build trust. Then aim for retainer models based on the value you deliver. If you save a client 10 hours a week, what's that actually worth to them? Frame it around that ROI.
That's smart. Focus on the value. So how do you stand out, and what are the common pitfalls to avoid?
To stand out, speak human. Use analogies, like think of this AI like a super smart intern who never sleeps. Focus on the outcomes: time saved, headaches gone, maybe money made.
Love that analogy.
Yeah.
And pitfalls.
Definitely don't overpromise. AI is powerful, but it's not magic. Avoid chasing every single new tool master. A few key ones: always prioritize data privacy. And manage scope creep. Be crystal clear on project boundaries from the start.
Good advice. So bringing it all together, the future is automation, right? It's not going away.
Not a chance.
Your value as this AI agent lies in connecting these powerful, increasingly accessible tools to solve real problems for actual people.
That's the core of it.
Turning your tech savviness into income is about easing those everyday business headaches, showing people a smarter way.
Getting paid to solve problems.
So, for everyone listening,
Yeah.
ready to make yourself indispensable,
Yeah.
here's a thought to leave you with. What's one really tedious task, either in your own life or for someone you know, that an AI agent could simplify? That right there, that's your starting point.